Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bathtub refinisher is probably one of the most transformative products you can add to your bathroom, breathing new life into worn-out tubs and saving you the significant cost and hassle of a full replacement. Imagine a sparkling, like new bathtub without the need for professional installation or extensive renovations, making it an incredibly appealing solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their space affordably and efficiently. Number 5. Rust-Oleum 7592838 Professional High Performance Enamel Spray Paint. Introducing a professional-grade enamel spray paint designed for superior rust protection. It provides a tough, attractive finish that stands up to weathering. This high-quality, oil-based formula ensures consistent color that resists corrosion, even when exposed to the elements. It's built to last. Complete your projects quickly with its fast-drying formula. It covers up to 14 square feet, dries to the touch in just 15 minutes, and can be recoated within an hour. It's ideal for use on a variety of surfaces including metal, wood, concrete, and masonry. Achieve a new look on virtually any material. Featuring a high-output tip, this commercial-grade paint can be sprayed at any angle. Its gloss finish provides a sleek look for demanding environments. What we like. This offers superior rust protection and a durable finish for various surfaces. If you're looking for a versatile paint that can handle metal, wood, and concrete with a tough, weather-resistant coating, this is a great choice. Its ability to spray at any angle makes it ideal for complex projects. What people say. Bright durable yellow. Used on an old cane, big difference. Does not dry fast, but heat coverage is very good. Shine, yes. I would say the thickness is the best I have seen in a spray paint. The spray paint made them look brand new, like they were always that way. Perfect coverage and smoothness, no running, looks so natural, and makes the rims beautiful, probably nicer than when I got them. It adheres so well to metal, and makes them look brand spanking new. One can took care of all 4 of the rims, and I spray painted them 4 times for each rim, giving them a layer at a time until it achieved what I wanted, complete coverage and perfect color. Seems to be a quality paint, hard finish after it dries. The color shows up great. The spray can work flawlessly for me. Number 4. Rust-Oleum Specialty Appliance Epoxy Spray Paint. Give your appliances a brand new look with our specialty epoxy spray paint. It's perfect for refreshing the exterior of metal surfaces like refrigerators and dishwashers. The advanced epoxy formula creates an incredibly hard and washable surface. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of everyday wear and tear. It dries to the touch in just 2 to 4 hours, allowing you to get back to your routine quickly. Each can covers approximately 7 square feet. Achieve a stunning, durable finish with an exceptional glossy shine. It will make your appliances look like new again. Remember, this product is designed for the outside of appliances only. Do not use it on immersed surfaces or where temperatures exceed 200 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. This is specifically designed for appliances, creating an ultra-hard, washable surface. If you need to refresh the look of your refrigerator, dishwasher, or laundry machine with a durable, glossy finish, this product is perfect. It's ideal for those seeking a professional-looking appliance update. What people say. The paint provides a smooth, durable finish that has held up well to daily use. Easy to apply with a brush or roller, dries quickly to a glossy sheen. Excellent coverage, 1 can was enough to cover the entire bathtub with 2 coats. Number 3. Ekopel 2K Bathtub Refinishing Kit. Introducing the Ekopel 2K Bathtub Refinishing Kit, your all-in-one solution for a worn or discolored bathtub. It provides a thick, glossy white finish with everything you need for a simple DIY application. This kit features an odorless, oil-free formula perfect for indoor use. It restores tubs, sinks, and tiles to a beautiful glossy white, making it ideal for any bath resurfacing project. Designed for durability, it adheres strongly to porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, and enamel. Application is simple with a roller, requiring no special tools or prior experience for a lasting, glossy finish. Achieve a hard, resilient finish in just 24 hours. For best results, maintain a consistent room temperature, and remember not to use the tub during the setting period. This comprehensive kit includes all necessary tools like a foam roller and pour-ready enamel. Step-by-step video guides ensure a professional-looking result, even without prior experience. Proudly made in the USA. What we like? This is a complete pour-on kit designed for easy DIY bathtub refinishing. If you want an odorless, oil-free formula that creates a thick, glossy white finish without the need for spray tools, this is your solution. It's perfect for homeowners looking for a straightforward way to restore their tub or sink. What people say. The paint provided a smooth, glossy finish that completely transformed the look of my old bathtub. Application was straightforward, and the paint dried to a durable, chip-resistant surface. It covered minor imperfections in the tub's surface effectively, creating a uniform and appealing appearance. Number 2. NADAMOO Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. Introducing the NADAMOO Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit, your all-in-one solution for a beautiful, refreshed look. This kit provides everything you need to tackle your DIY projects with confidence. Inside, you'll find the compound emulsion, hardener, and all the necessary tools like gloves, brushes, rollers, and masking supplies. We've included everything to make your refinishing process stress-free. Getting started is easy. Simply mix part A and part B, then apply the mixture to your desired surface using the provided roller or brush. It's a straightforward process for a professional finish. Achieve a stunning semi-gloss finish that cures in just 24 hours, reaching full hardness in 7 days. Enjoy a durable and beautiful new surface that's built to last. Perfect for a variety of surfaces including porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, and stone. Use it on tubs, tiles, sinks, showers, and vanities. It's ideal for both residential and commercial spaces. Our unique water-based formula offers a less noticeable smell during application. It delivers a long-lasting, beautiful finish that you'll love. What we like? This offers a unique water-based, 2-part formula with less smell for a durable finish. If you're refinishing tubs, tiles, or countertops and prefer a low-odor application with all the necessary tools included, this kit is a good fit. It's suitable for both residential and commercial projects needing a beautiful, long-lasting coat. What people say. It has almost zero odor. Even less than a standard latex paint. It goes on very smooth and the semi-gloss looks like the factory coating. Covered old rust stains and discoloration well on the first coat. Great finish, durable, easy to mix, easy to apply with the applicator supplied. Cleaning is a breeze. Works well on tub and tiles. Number 1. DWIL Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. Transform your bathroom with our easy-to-use tub and tile refinishing kit. It's designed for a smooth application, even for beginners. Everything you need is included to get the job done. Achieve a professional-looking finish on your bathtub, sink, or shower. This kit is perfect for refreshing most bathroom surfaces, including tiles, countertops, and floors. Give your bathroom a whole new look. Get back to using your refreshed surfaces quickly. It dries to the touch in 24 to 36 hours and fully cures in just 7 days, offering a durable, scratch-resistant finish. Enjoy a pleasant renovation experience. Our water-based formula is low odor and low VOC, making it a gentler choice for your home. Formulated for high adhesion and durability, it resists flaking and scratches. Cleaning is as simple as a gentle wipe. What we like? This product is a water-based paint with low odor and low VOCs, providing a scratch-resistant surface. If you're a novice looking for an easy-to-use kit to refinish your bathtub, sink, or shower with a semi-gloss finish, this is an excellent option. Its high adhesion ensures a durable, easy-to-clean result. What people say. Packaging came with a roller, brush, plastic gloves, which were very helpful, tape with plastic attached, very useful, paint, and 2 hardening solution packs. Application went on easily. My first coat was a thin layer. I used the brush on the grout lines and then applied the roller. Coating for my shower tub project. 1 container made 2 full coatings. I ordered 2 containers because I wasn't sure what to expect. Glad I did. I actually liked the 2 coatings and Hubs thought it was good enough. But I did see a bit of unevenness in my application in places. I used the second container to liberally apply a thicker 3rd coat. That was exactly what it needed. A few paintbrush touch-ups at that point blended nicely and the product self-leveled. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.